Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install your graphics card into your computer. So, this computer is a Dell Optiplex 780, and I'm going to show you how to install the graphics card into one of these things. So, on the Dell Optiplex, what you're going to do is you're going to see this black tab right here. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to push on it until it pops out, and then right here is this black slot is the PCIe slot, which is the slot that this card will go into. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out this little metal piece here, as like that. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to take your card, you're going to want to stick that into the slot. It's like get the front bracket and try and stick it down like that, and then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to push it down into the slot until you hear it click like that. Make sure it's in there, and then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna go back here, get that piece that you got, and then you're gonna want to push it in like that. Alright, so now you have installed your graphics card into your Dell Optiplex 780. Thanks for watching.